One thing that I look into the product and product management is they are both very tightly tied. Okay, so the good product manager, if he captures the requirements and if he identifies the customer problem greatly, it leads into a great product. I am a senior product line manager at VMware. So I have like 25 years of experience. So I have been into multiple roles. So this is a great way to address the scale-a-thons, right? So the approach that you have taken is really great, right? So because it tests the water, it helps teams to come together, brainstorm on the idea and then approach it like, whether it will work or not work. And it goes through the different, aspects like, there is a value proposition, all the problem identification and all that. So this is like, the process. So as candidates become familiar with the process, you can expect a better output when actually they start working on the product in the on the job. So basically, one thing is that good understanding of the concepts. Second, they have applied it in the product also. So there were some learning that needs to be done, but it will come through the time. That's not an issue. And a good point is they have the confidence, right? So I can see that they are able to present all the ideas in a great way. And I was not expecting like the people who are the beginners will be able to do that great job. So I was really astonished to see that. Yeah, so actually I will definitely use this approach, right? I think whatever you have done the presentation, giving that 10 minutes of time to prepare them and present them, it's a good approach, right? So we do it a bit differently, like on the spot we give them the question and understand how they approach it. But this is a great way of getting understanding like what customer really understood out of the product and problems. Yeah.